Namaskar students. Today we are going to discuss electric field intensity due to a point charge. Let's suppose you are given a charge plus q due to which we have to derive electric field intensity at distance r. Right? According to definition, E equals to F upon Q, that is force per unit charge. For it, put small q charge at that point. From Coulomb's law, force F is given by K Q1 Q2 upon R square. Right? So E equals to KQ upon R square. As E is inversely proportional to R square, so variation in electric field E with distance from point charge is given by hyperbola, because E is inversely proportional to R square. Right? Now, question: you are given two charges plus q and plus 4q separated by distance small r. You have to find out position of neutral point, or you have to find out a point having zero electric field. Right? So let's suppose position of that point is this one. Its distance from plus q is x and from 4q is r minus x. Right? It is neutral point. Neutral point is that point where electric field intensity is 0. It means at this point electric field intensity due to plus q and 4q are equal and opposite. So electric field intensity due to capital Q away from the charge, from 4q away from the charge. Right? At neutral point, electric field intensity due to Q equals to due to 4q. Due to q, kq upon distance square. Distance is x, so kq upon x square. Due to 4q, distance is r minus x, so k 4q upon r minus x का whole square. kq. Taking root of both sides, 1 upon x equals to 2 upon r minus x. So r minus x equals to 2x. So r equals to 3x. X equals to r by 3. This distance x is from plus q. So from q. Right? Now our next topic is electric dipole. Electric dipole is an arrangement of two equal and opposite charges placed close to each other. Minus q plus q, equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance 2a. By convention it is taken 2a. Right? Electric dipole. Now, for dipole, a term is defined as electric dipole moment, P. Electric dipole moment P is given by Q into 2A. That is, electric dipole moment is defined as the product of magnitude of any one charge and distance between both the charges, where 2a is called dipole length or distance between both the charges. It is a vector quantity. Its unit is charge means coulomb, distance means meter, yani coulomb into meter. As you know, it is a vector quantity. So, direction of electric dipole moment is from minus q to plus q. In this case, direction of dipole moment is this one, minus q to plus q, right?